Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be building a British tank. It is the FV432 Armored Fighting Vehicle. I got the instructions for this off of OmahaBricks. The designer was Joseph Heyer. I might have pronounced that right, I don't know. This set required some orders off of Bricklink. I believe it took 3 separate orders to get it. Finally received them all, so I have all the parts here to do the build. I have one set of track links, the 1.5s from Brickmania, and I have an M2HB from Brick Arms to complete the build. So let's get started with it and see how it turns out. Here is the completed FV432 Armored Fighting Vehicle, designed by Joseph Heyer, and the instructions were purchased from OmahaBricks for this. I believe they are having a sale on their instructions this weekend. I will have a link in the description of this video for where I got the instructions from, so check them out. Pretty cool little build. Give me a little bit of difficulty on the front right side over here. I did change the build out a little bit by adding a 2x4 plate in place of a few 1x's to strengthen that up. But other than that, I really enjoyed the build. The camo design is excellent. I'll let it come around to the front and then I'll shut the video down for a second and close up all the doors so you can see it like it's ready to roll. So here it is with all of its doors and hatches closed, so you can get a better idea what all the camouflage pattern looks like. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the M113, but it's not quite as tall. It's a good little build. I enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and as always, have a wonderful day.